MOT time, MOT time. Hello. I'm gonna go that way, then left. Yeah. Just. Alright, cool. Right, well that's the MOT done. How did I get through the MOT, I wonder? This tape. Ooh, slipped almost there. It's a good tape, this is. Maybe we'll reuse it if I wrap it up nicely. So yeah, MOT passed anyway. MOT passed. Just an advisory on the exhaust, which I knew that was going to happen anyway. And the rest is the usual stuff. So what happened is, the other day my bulb blew. That's vibrating, that is. I'll just take that out now. What that meant was, because it blew, I had to put a new bulb in. And I put in a bulb that was too big. Not too big, sorry. Higher wattage. So there's a 35 in there originally, and I put in a 60. Because I put in a 60, it affects all the electronics on the bike. So putting in a 60 watt bulb means that it can't illuminate it bright enough. So it draws all the power off all the other lights. So all the other lights, they just struggle. So, because they struggle, it means that you don't have enough power to make them at full brightness. Hence why all my lights are a bit weak. So, other than that, I need to change that, but you let it pass on a daytime, which is alright for me, I guess, considering I only ride this thing during the day. So that's pretty good. That's all I really wanted. I don't like riding it in the dark anyway, especially on this thing. Probably wouldn't see anything at all. So yeah, I think because I can actually see my indicator. Then if I put the lights on, now the light's illuminated. It can be harder to see sometimes. Right, off we go. Actually, you know what? I don't actually know the way home. And I guess with a valid MOT and everything, this project bike is done. I think there's nothing left to be done to it. I've done everything that I wanted to, and I think this bike is just correct. Completely finished now, this project is. All teething issues have been resolved, and the bike is now solid. The only thing I'd have to do now is just change that front light bulb to a 35 watts, because that 60 watt, 65 watt or whatever is in there now is just drawing all the power and making all the other lights on the bike either dim or not come on. This is not a motorway I'm on, by the way. This is a dual carriageway, but it's got 3 lanes. And I was going about 55, 60 miles an hour most of the time, except for this one section where there's a long uphill bit. That's when I lost a lot of speed and went down to about 45 miles an hour. And one van only saw me at the last minute or second. Oh, this will do as the next project. This will do very nicely indeed.